Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by treating modding as a risky experiment. You must verify the game's terms of service and understand bans. This is why you back up files and use a throwaway account. Once done, create an isolated environment. A separate device, virtual machine, or offline install to protect your main account. Make sure to document each change so you can reverse it. You're avoiding irreversible damage. That's the point. Protect your progress and identity before you explore anything further. You now focus on the middle steps, validating and containing. First, prioritize reputable community hubs and read other users' experiences. This reduces surprises. Then, scan every file with up-to-date antivirus and sandbox tools because files can hide harmful payloads. Once you're comfortable, test any mods strictly offline or inside a virtual machine. That way you observe behavior without affecting live servers. Make sure to log version numbers and steps so you can reproduce or undo the test quickly. You finish by validating stability and preparing exit strategies. Once satisfied with offline tests, avoid using mods on live accounts to prevent enforcement action. If you encounter crashes or corruption, immediately restore from your backups and document errors. Make sure to capture logs and screenshots. They help when contacting community moderators or official support, but they rarely protect against bans. If anything feels risky, stop and restore. Preserving your account and data is far more important than short-term gains.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.